Pumpkin muffins, a flavorful journey into English vocabulary. Hello and welcome, dear viewers. Today, we're embarking on a delightful journey to explore the meaning of a very tasty phrase in English: pumpkin muffins. Whether you're a food lover, a language enthusiast, or just curious, this video is for you. Let's dive into the world of culinary terms and their significance in English language learning. First things first, let's break down the phrase. Pumpkin is a large, round, orange vegetable that's often associated with autumn and Thanksgiving in many English-speaking countries. It's not just popular for its role in Halloween decorations but also for its versatility in cooking. On the other hand, muffins are small, baked items, similar to cupcakes, but usually less sweet and often eaten for breakfast or as a snack. So, pumpkin muffins are muffins that incorporate pumpkin as a key ingredient, offering a unique flavor that's both sweet and slightly spicy. Pumpkin muffins are more than just a tasty treat. They hold cultural significance, especially in countries like the United States and Canada. These muffins are particularly popular during the fall season, symbolizing the harvest time and festive occasions like Halloween and Thanksgiving. Learning about such food items helps English language learners understand cultural context and the seasonal importance of certain foods in English-speaking countries. In this section, we'll explore how the phrase pumpkin muffins can be used in different contexts. For example, I baked pumpkin muffins for the bake sale, or my favorite autumn treat is pumpkin muffins with a cup of coffee. Notice how the phrase can be a subject or an object in a sentence, offering flexibility in language usage. We'll also discuss variations like pumpkin spice muffins, which include additional spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves, commonly used in pumpkin pie. Here, we'll introduce a basic recipe for making pumpkin muffins. This is not just about cooking. It's about learning English through an interactive and practical activity. We'll go through the ingredients and steps, emphasizing key vocabulary and phrases like preheat the oven, mix the batter, and bake for 20 minutes. This section helps learners to associate words with actions and objects, enhancing their vocabulary in a fun and engaging way. We hope you enjoyed this flavorful journey into the English language with the exploration of pumpkin muffins. Remember, language learning can be as fun and delightful as enjoying your favorite treat. Keep practicing, stay curious, and don't forget to try making some pumpkin muffins yourself. Until next time, happy learning and bon appetit!